Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to unpin someone on Snapchat. So first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat application. Now here, you have to launch first your Snapchat and go to your chat box here. First, let's just say you wanted to pin this person here. Okay, if you want this person to pin as your BFF, if you need to purchase and upgrade to Snapchat Plus. So how to do that? All you have to do is to click learn more, click next, and of course you have to pay for something because this is not for free. But let's just say you wanted to pin someone's conversation, including the person. So all you have to do is to simply click this chat settings. Okay, long press again, tap chat settings, and then click pin conversation. So you just have to tap that one, and you can see that the person is under or below my AI. So whenever someone message you, this person is still on the top. That's next to or below my AI. But our tutorial is all about how to unpin someone on Snapchat. All you have to do is to simply long press that name again, go to chat settings, and then tap unpin conversation. So in that way, you could also unpin someone on Snapchat. So this is the result. And that's it. That's how simple it is to unpin someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.